Oh my god, there's like a fireworks show in stars.
G'day YouTubers, GabberBeastTV here. I do amateur astronomy, and this is the UFO I filmed the other day, doing some big flashes.
Right there, sparkling really bright. And there's another one too. Oh, it's a flasher. Look at this one pulsing. No way. Doing some beautiful pulses. Look at it. Look at this one. Wow, thank you for the flashes. Thank you for the flashes. We love the flashes. There's another one too. Going the other way, I think. There's flashes. Still looking for the other one. There it is there. What's that? There's two of them. Oh my. There's two of them. It's southwest. Look how big that one is. It's really closer. That one's heaps closer. The flashing one's gone. It's further away. Lots coming out tonight. Wow. I love the flasher one. It's flashing bright, so bright. There's like bang, like fireworks in the sky. There's a second one too. I wonder if this is the second one. Whoa. There's heaps out this morning. There's heaps of them. Kick the tripod. Yeah, trying to move around the tripod. Didn't work too well. I can't even see that. Oh no, I kicked the tripod trying to walk around the tripod. Well, that happens. Nothing you can do about it. No idea where it went, I just kicked the tripod. No idea where that went. The flasher one. It was pulsing heaps. It was pulsing heaps. That right there. Sparkling really bright. And there's another one too. Oh, it's a flasher. Look at this one pulsing. No way. Doing some beautiful pulses. Look at it. Look at this one. Wow, thank you for the flashes. Thank you for the flashes. We love the flashes. There's another one too. Going the other way, I think. There's flashes. That right there. Sparkling really bright. And there's another one too. Oh, it's a flasher. Look at this one pulsing. No way. Doing some beautiful pulses. Look at it. Look at this one. Wow, thank you for the flashes. Thank you for the flashes. We love the flashes. There's another one too. Going the other way, I think. There's flashes.
Alright, we're looking at the plane radar. The camera was pointing southwest. Well, let's draw that. That's the camera pointing there. Got the right date and time, 10 hours backwards, UTC. Go backwards a bit. The camera's pointing southwest. Time is, that's the time. There's no planes in the area. Go down further. There's nothing in the area. Okay, we'll level the ground here at 506. These two cross. Yeah, this comes down and this one comes up. This one's been going on a downward trajectory. If you level the sky here, I was looking at this part of the sky. That was where the pulsing one was. There was another one flashing behind it. I couldn't get that one into frame. And that's come down, down, down to here. 506, so somewhere around here is where they crossed. So somewhere around here. Zoom in, hit play. We got this one going up. That's like 1,200 kilometers away. It's too far away. And all these ones going across. Nothing over there to the right. Southwest. Come down from there. We got this one going up. And that was the other one going up. 1,000 kilometers away. It's come closer now. That was 1,300 kilometers away. It's too far away. And if we get to 508, they're still going up. They're still going up in that direction. Still heading that way. And if we look at the video, it's 506.30 where that comes, the flasher comes down.
There's two of them.
And they cross. This one goes up. And then at 508, 507.
Oh no, this is the second one.
At 507.30.
Oh no, this is the second one.
That's not going up anymore. It's going across.
There's heaps out this morning.
See? That's going across. That's not going up like those satellites are going up. And then I kicked the tripod and I lost everything. 5740. 5730. That changes direction and starts going across. 5730. That's still going up. So you've got all these satellites, you're not seeing none of them. 5730. Go backwards. Yeah, that tells me it's not a satellite because it changes direction, starts going across. These two still going upwards. You can see them still going up in that direction. They're still going upwards in that direction there. Well, this one starts going this way. It actually changes direction. So I don't think it's a satellite because of that.
That right there, sparkling really bright. And there's another one too. Oh, it's a flasher. Look at this one pulsing. No way. Doing some beautiful pulses. Look at it. Look at this one. Wow, thank you for the flashes. Thank you for the flashes. We love the flashes. There's another one too. Going the other way, I think. There's flashes. Still looking for the other one. There it is there. What's that? There's two of them. Oh my. There's two of them. It's southwest. Look how big that one is. That's really closer. That one's heaps closer. The flashing one's gone. It's further away. Lots coming out tonight. Wow. I love the flasher one. It's flashing bright, so bright. It's like bang, like fireworks in the sky. There's a second one too. I wonder if this is the second one. Whoa. There's heaps out this morning. There's heaps of them.
For watching, hit the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell button so I can get notified when I upload a new video, and leave some comments down below. Say g'day, and you all have a good day. See you. Bye.